You don't need a team. You don't need a factory. You don't even need to leave your room. In 2025, anyone with a smartphone and AI can build a real, sustainable online business by selling digital products. And yes, people in Pakistan and India are already doing it. A digital product is created once, sold forever. Examples: ebooks, online courses, resume templates, social media kits, AI prompt packs, business checklists, no inventory, no shipping. Just create, deliver, repeat. ChatGPT writes your ebook, course outline, or sales copy. Canva AI designs stunning templates in minutes. But warning, don't just copy-paste. Edit, personalize, add your voice, because AI is a tool, not a replacement for your brain. Before you create, find demand. Go to Facebook groups, search freelancers Pakistan, Etsy, see what's trending, YouTube comments. I wish there was a template for this. Solve real problems, not just cool ideas. You can sell globally from your bedroom. Gumroad, easiest for beginners. Etsy for templates, planners. Instagram and WhatsApp for local clients. Your own website long-term. Payment? Use PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfer. Delivery? Automated, instant. AI doesn't just build, it sells. Use it to write Instagram captions, email follow-ups, sales page copy, ad headlines. But remember, test, tweak, repeat. AI gives you words, you give them soul. This isn't get rich overnight. Your first product won't be perfect. Your first ad might flop. But here's the secret. The winners are the ones who keep shipping, not the ones who wait for perfection. So today, 1. Pick one digital product. Ebook? Template? 2. Use ChatGPT and Canva to build it. 3. List it on Gumroad or Instagram. Your first $10 is closer than you think. Like this if you're building, not dreaming. Comment digital below and I'll send you my free list of 20 profitable digital product ideas. And subscribe to BigShowInfo, where we turn AI into income. Because in 2026, your laptop is your factory, your ideas are your inventory, and AI, it's your 24/7 employee.